Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and to answer a few questions, because a lot of you have been following, my blog and my YouTube channel to know when there's updates, and a lot of you, and regularly I get a message, hey, I got an update today, you didn't talk about it, or I got an update today, I didn't talk about it. Remember that each machine is different, and each computer has updates that could be very unique to your computer. The idea came to me to do this video because I do have that all the time. People talking about it and saying, well, I wish you could talk about the updates. And the thing is that in Windows Update, so here, so we'll check for updates. This machine has today some Intel updates, for example, which were updates that were released for the hardware of my machine. So when that happens, is that it means simply that your updates are done for your machine specifically. So, you'll have driver updates that you could look at. So here you see the driver updates information. So here's what I got. I had system update today, Intel Corporation system. I had another one here, system. So these updates are very unique and to my machine specifically. So anybody that has the same hardware would have these updates. But these are not for everybody, because not everybody has that same hardware. So if you have the same hardware as I have, for example, probably everybody that has a Nitro 5 had an update today for the Intel stuff, which is normal because we all have the machine that has the same hardware. But of course, people that don't have an Acer Nitro 5 but do have the hardware, the same type of hardware, will also get these types of updates. But like I say, it's unique to everybody. That means you might have an update and tell me, oh, there's an update today and there's a cumulative update. Yeah, but it was a cumulative update unique to your machine. Usually when it actually shows up, and you can see by looking at the different updates. When you go to your Windows Update and you look at the update history, you'll see that you have, of course, the feature update when you have a feature update that's actually installed. You have the quality updates. Quality updates refer to what is the security updates for the most part. Then you will have driver updates. These are often the ones that people talk about. Say, well, there's an update today on my machine, but I don't know what it is. Well, Intel is hardware. Acer, for my Acer machine, some might see some called, HP or whatever, Asus. Realtek, which is another driver component. Inside software for the firmware of the machine. So these, when you see these in the driver list, these are updates that are usually unique to a specific type of hardware. So it's not everybody that's getting it. It's just you and everybody that has the same hardware as you. But a lot of people are not getting anything. Of course, there's the definition updates. These are always security and intelligence updates, are always the updates for the Defender antivirus. So this means that these updates will make sure that they update first the antivirus itself, anti-malware software itself, and of course the signature file. The signature file is all the list of every type of malware that it knows, with where and how to detect it. And finally, you have what is called other updates. In other updates, you have the Windows malicious software removal tool every month, which is a piece of software that scans your computer at boot up to search for specific malware. And cumulative updates that are bug fixes will show up in here, and other updates also. So all the ones that are bug fixes will show up in other updates in general. So remember that apart from the big major updates that are cumulative updates for bug fixes for every version of Windows, and the Patch Tuesday updates, a lot of the updates that a machine can have in a month refer to very unique aspects of your own computer that not everybody is having. So that's why I can't, make a video of everything, because I'd be making, 300 videos every day of every machine that has an update of a driver or something. So that's why these are not something I'm going to talk about, because first of all, I don't know when your machine gets an update, except when you tell me sometimes. But I really refer to the general updates and talk about the general updates that every machine will receive at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.